Well, it's your girl Alicia. Thank you for stopping here. Nice to see ya. Click and learn.
Hi loves, if you're new here, I'm Alicia, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. So today I'm back with another hair video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve this spicy bubble ponytail that you just saw in the intro. So if you guys want to see that, definitely stick around and continue watching this video. So what I'm doing right here is parting out the section that I want to use to spice up this ponytail a bit, and right here is that you just saw me detangling my hair. So this section I'm going to part it into 3 sections and put them into small ponytail, each one attaching to the next one behind it until it's done.
Them a make a bad man feel alright. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now.
And I practically just split right here into a half, and then I bring the first ponytail into it, and then I put everything into the second ponytail, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the third ponytail.
So baby, what you gonna do?
Okay, now that that's out of the way, what I'm doing right here is just sectioning off my hair, because when you're doing a ponytail, it is way much easier when you work in sections to put it up into a ponytail nice and easy.
Say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want.
First thing you see me doing is detangling my hair. Detangling is a must when you're doing a ponytail. So right here I'm just adding some leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair, and also some of my oil that I made myself, and then I had my gel of choice, which is my Eco Styler gel. Then I practically just take my hard brush and put it up into a ponytail, and that's what I'm going to do for each section until everything is in one. So you guys can just watch the process.
Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe. Original Batman, turn up the vibe. 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 No. Original. Original Batman, just say no. Just say body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class. No. Just say
Okay, so I did forget to mention that I just washed my hair, which is why I'm not really adding any water, because my hair is really damp right now. So which is why you see it's so easy for me to put my hair up into a ponytail. Water is your best friend when you're doing a ponytail for us 4C, because don't let them tell you anything different. You just gotta try this method.
If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. No. Just say Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe. Original Batman, turn up the vibe. 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 man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
When I get to the side, what I practically do is to just brush it into place, and right here you can see me parting out the sections that I'm going to use for my edges, and then I just swooped everything back. So after I do this side, I'm not going to put it up into the scrunchie as yet until I do the next side. Then I just put everything up in one.
Just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, original Batman. Body nice. See I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them I make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man I tell her when she go low, say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man I tell her when she go low, bad man I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go down anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man me I put you on a first class. No, 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 no. Just say yeah, so baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you really your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, them a coming at me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. No, 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 no. Just say yeah,
So right here what I did is to add some water, and then I detangle the ends of my ponytail, and then I'm practically going to plait it or braid it to a 3-strand braid, as you guys like to say, but in Jamaica we say plait. To lay my edges, I went in with my Got To Be styling gel, and then I am going to go over my entire ponytail with my Got To Be gel before I tied it down for the entire night.
Just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, original Batman. Body nice. See I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them I make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man I tell her when she go low.
And this is me the following morning.
Bad man I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go down anywhere you wanna.
So this is what the ponytail looks like the following morning. The hair that I'll be using today is from Lulutress, and it's their fluffy folded 3x pack, and this is what it looks like up close. So what I'm doing now is taking my scrunchie and tying the hair, and I'm making sure that this little section right here is going down, and then I'm going to ensure that section is going down when I'm placing it with my braid, and then I just practically catch everything together. And for the next section, I ensure that it's staying up. So by the time I flip my hair over, you're not going to be seeing anything showing.
If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. No, 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 no. Just say yeah, Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe. Original Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe.
Then what I do is take 3 strands of the third section that was left from the entire 3-pack hair that is going to be used to seal my hair off to make everything look like, you know, it's my natural hair. Right now what I'm doing is just using sponges to make the bubble until I get to the end of the hair. And if you want to make it more fluffier, all you have to do is to just pull it out like this.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See, the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them I make a bad man feel alright.
So what I'm doing right here is taking the 3 strands that I took out earlier in the video to practically just wrap the beginning of the ponytail to make everything look seamless, like, you know, it's growing from my natural hair.
Anywhere you wanna go now, bad man, me I put you on a first class.
The last thing that I did is to accessorize the hair. Everything that I used in today's video, I'll make sure to link it down below in the description box so you guys can go ahead and check that out. So if you guys did enjoy this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Until then, it's your girl Oli. Go and big up yourself.